Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the auto unlock function on the Bilibili Comics application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select comics and open, and tap to the settings button under the comment section at the left side on the screen, and in the auto unlock option just tap to the next white circle and tap to the got it, and this new is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.